Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfiretools.com, is brought to you by Amsoil, the first in synthetics, Campbell's Custom Care, your detail specialist, and by Cloys Incorporated. Timing chains need tension, your customers don't.
Here at Motorhead Garage, presented by Dragonfiretools.com, we love hearing from you at home. And this is a piece that just aired a few weeks ago, and folks have been raving about it. It's gotten a huge response, so we wanted to show it to you again. If you work on your car, maybe you're a shade tree mechanic, a racer, a professional mechanic who just needs more space, you often work outside. We know that can mean extreme elements. You've got extreme heat, and you've got rain, and of course you can bring one of those 10 by 10 canopies with you, but we know what a hassle those things can be, and it takes a couple of people to set them up. So along comes the Shade Wagon, and Jeremy, you guys came up with a solution to all of those things. What inspired the Shade Wagon?
Well, Dave, we wanted another way, something that was easier, something one person could do. You know, the four-legged system is difficult to set up. Usually you break it. So we just wanted an easier way. We wanted one person to be able to set up their shade. Also, we wanted something that was dynamic, that could meet your individual needs for whatever you were doing outside. And that we did.
We'll talk about all the specifics, but first I want to talk about durability. This is something that is stronger than a lot of the things out there. How's it going to last for all the things that nature can handle?
The plastic is fiberglass reinforced plastic. All the metal parts are stainless steel, and the canopy is ripstop nylon.
And you talked about how dynamic this thing is. What are some of the different configurations you can put this in? It's not just your standard 10 by 10 that's going to be the same all the time. You can configure this based on what you're doing.
That's the best part about it. You really can just tailor your shade to whatever it is you're doing. It can change heights, it can change pitch angles, it rotates. It really does a lot of very cool motions and actions. So this is what makes it, we think, better than the other system.
The sun goes to set, you can angle this the right way to keep the sun out of your eyes or off your head the whole time here. And what about setup? Of course, it's a one-person setup. What's it like to actually get this thing out of the case and set it up?
It's very simple. You open up the lid, rotate the system up till it clicks, pull the pole up until it's at the height you want. You rotate the arms, pull them out till they stop, you're set up.
And of course, when you're done, you just fold it back down, it goes on the wagon, and you can just take it right home.
Taking it down is the best part about it. It's very, very quick to take down, which is, again, in contrary to the four-legged system that no one wants to take down, this really takes down quick and easy. It's the best part about the system.
And it all fits in that case, which fits on the wagon. Is there extra room in the case for extra stuff?
There can be. You know, you just pack it in there. You know, the canopy just, you know, all you do is just stuff it in. So again, unlike the four-legged system that never goes back in the case, and you're certainly not going to zip it up, everything just stuffs in real nice. And you know, yes, there is extra room in there. There'll be a stake bag that comes with every system.
That's what the Shade Wagon looks like when it's on the ground. Let me show you one other configuration that is super cool. It's called the utility hitch setup, and we've seen how versatile the Shade Wagon is, and this even adds to the versatility. How does this work?
Basically just slides into any 2-inch receiver on a vehicle, fold out the arms, and you drop the mast into the system, and it just sets up just like it's in the wagon.
And of course, this is great for a tailgating setup, but it's a tool. It's much more useful than that. When you're working on your vehicle, how can you configure this to give yourself some shade, like maybe changing a tire or something?
Yeah, changing a tire, you can swing it around. We've got 180 degrees, and you can pivot the canopy system. It'll pretty much cover right up to the cab, so you can change your tires, set up your tools on your tailgate.
We talked about the durability of the Shade Wagon, and we know it's made out of good parts. What if something should go wrong?
You know, basically we give a limited lifetime warranty. Under normal circumstances, we're confident enough in the product and in the materials that we've used that it'll hold up. But we've also made it where every part and piece is replaceable. So if something did happen, you know, anything can happen, you know. It's just a simple, any piece can be ordered and replaced by any homeowner, contract, you know, anybody that's using it.
It's durable, it is incredibly versatile. It's called the Shade Wagon. It's going to change your life at work It's going to change your life on the weekends too when you're at your kid's soccer game or tailgating. You're going to love it. Find it again at theshadewagon.com. And find more Motorhead Garage and more cool products for your vehicle when we come back. See you in a few.